Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a Lego review of Lego Friends set 41010 from 2013 to 2014, and it's Olivia'S beach buggy. As you can see, you get Olivia with a beautiful blue surfboard and a purple beach buggy, and also you get this sand piece with the red flowers and a palm tree with coconuts on, and you get this beautiful pink and brown fruit stand, and also this light brown and dark brown with a blue roof fruit stand with the ice cream stand. And the set is from 2013 to 2014, and I bought this at Toys R Us in Port Elizabeth, South Africa in 2014. See, this is what Olivia'S beach buggy set looks like, set 41010. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.